Hey Pete. Played Train Tech War update. It got level 7 and
Yes.
more cosmetics. Yeah, look, there's all the new cosmetics. Party hat, king crown. You can be a little fry cook and a dad. You can be a baller, and you can have drink prime.
Sydney Opera House.
And you have those that he has on right now. And one new cosmetic for mods, which is the ring, because it's so tough. Watch him die. I got the key, I got the key. Where is he? Good for you. Please don't be there, please don't be there, please don't be there. Come on. Why'd you run past? Why'd you run past? Yes, I made it already.
Here we go. Get the key.
Touch it again. I've done. I've the done. Oh, there he is.
No.
I'm beating his ass. Me and him were looking on DeviantArt, and guess what we found? Somebody's here already.
This way.
Run faster! Why am I lagging?
Come on.
I wish I could move faster. God damn! Why are you putting us in a loop, yo?
Yeah, last one.
Okay.
Go around.
Yo, I slowed down and lagged. Okay. I thought it was like right here. Oh, shit. This level's laggy too. No? Thomas Yams. Granny's house. Love for Granny Yams. Touch that. Oh my god. Did you die? How'd you die immediately? Get that and go back. No, not yet. I need the one downstairs. Get it. Oh, God damn it. How was that not open?
I gotta freaking get the bathroom one.
I got the one in the bathroom.
I got the bathroom one.
I got the bathroom one. The one downstairs. I got the one downer downstairs. Oh, fucking Granny. Hey, Granny. I got the one in the main room and the one in the bathroom.
Yeah, I got all buttons.
I didn't get the one in here. That's the first one I got. Granny Yams. What? Granny, don't tickle me. Okay. I'm in level 5. I got a button. God damn it! I think yes. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, holy crap, I got Go!
Okay. We're gonna die immediately.
I can't even grab it!
Got his ass. Oh my god. Why is it so sticky? Pain! Okay, this sucks. Yo, where even are you? Where are you? Why are you in?
Oh, I got jump, bro.
Okay. Should we just sell him level 7? Oh my god, guys, remember when literally everyone made videos about this guy? And he's so obese. Look at his fucking belly button. Oh my god, yeah. They're adding content creator room. You need 100 subs or more as requirement. They're adding more videos to the cinema. Yeah, the cinema came out. And it's so tough. Hey, look, this is my video. That's my old video of this game. And then they got 70s and Gorks, or however you pronounce the name. Gorks. Is that Gorks or Groks? Because I have no idea.
And we got content creator room down there.
Yeah, I literally said that. I said content creator room is coming soon. You need 100. What was the requirement again?
Your video has to at least get like 1K views on a short or like a long form video.
And since I'm so tough and I'm making this and I'm a moderator, I get content creator anyway. If you're trying to do content creation on this game, suggest what we should add to. Well, not we, cause it's his game. Suggest what he should add to content creator only room.
Yes.
And then
Okay.
I'll do a
Before
short
we end
and
the
I'll
video-
like.
guys, before
okay,
we end the video, Sydney Opera House is gonna say goodbye.
Sydney Opera House.
Yes.
Keep it still. Keep it still.
Sydney Opera House.
I just checked your ass. I'm replacing it with the one with her feet out from fucking DeviantArt.
Okay. Alright, yeah. Wait, did you end the video?